let's make adobo flakes. I have 3 hacks for you para mapadali ang paggawa ng adobo flakes. This makes it less oily, low effort, pero guaranteed pa rin na flavorful, masarap, ready for whenever you're hungry. You start by boiling 2 chicken breasts. This is actually really fast, 15 to 18 minutes for really thick chicken breast. To make sure it's completely cooked, I just use a food thermometer to check the internal temperature. Next hack is to use this chicken shredder. And I know na medyo single purpose lang itong gadget na to. Pero if you love adobo flakes or chicken pastil, super worth it nito. Masashred yung kagad yung chicken kahit mainit. And I know making adobo flakes require a lot of cooking oil. Pero konti lang gagamitin natin for this recipe. Hindi rin tayo gagamit ng fresh na bawang sa kasibuyas. Instead, I'm just using powdered garlic and powdered onion. Same with pepper, I'm just using black and cayenne pepper. I'm also adding equal parts vinegar and soy sauce. And that's pretty much it. Halu-haluin nyo lang sila. And for me, I just added liquid seasoning. The reason I'm not using fresh garlic and onion is sa tapusin kasi natin yung cooking process sa air fryer. I don't want anything to burn, so I opted for the powdered versions na lang. Total cooking time for me is 20 minutes, pero depende yan sa air fryer nyo. And sa preferred doneness nyo ng adobo flakes, just make sure to mix it every so often. And there you go. This is your adobo flakes done in the air fryer. Lagay nyo lang to sa airtight container, and for whenever you're hungry, this will be like a perfect rice topping. It's